started at Novotel, so a big hotel kind of atmosphere, and I did my first 6 months there with ETC, and then I heard some great chefs from Sydney had bought a place in Bellingen, and I approached them and I guess was eager and passionate enough to get a Guernsey down here. So I moved with ETC, so stayed with them and moved out here to Bellingen and have been here ever since. Yeah, I love it. I love coming to work every day. I get to learn so much here. The big hotel was a great experience, but working in fine dining and really getting down to the nitty-gritty of things has been amazing. I've always been pretty passionate about cooking, and it's always just a hobby. But after having a career in HR for quite a few years, just wanted to do something that I was passionate about, and that was creative, and allowed me to be a bit creative, I guess. And so cooking is so hands-on, and it's still really kind of personable, and it's really flexible. You can do so many different things with it. So I just went for it. I entered the Fonterra Proud to be a chef, and was really fortunate to be selected into the final 30 for Australasia, which meant I got taken down to Melbourne and got a really amazing week of experiences down there with learning from different chefs and fine dining and wining all over the city, and then going out to the country and visiting dairies and learning about cheeses and milk production. And ETC has really given me the flexibility to not only work here, but my chefs own another restaurant in Newtown in Sydney, so I've been able to go down there and work and experience the rush of Sydney service and doing 1,000 covers a weekend, and then come back and really get into the pure kind of nitty-gritty of what we do here with milling our own flour and making our own cheese and butter and things like that. And so I've had the opportunity to study overseas for short periods of time and do different things like that, but I just wouldn't be able to keep up with my TAFE work and my classes, and always be missing things and chasing after things and stuff like that. Whereas with ETC, it's all managed by me and my chefs, and we have that control, and it's so much easier. Yeah.